Sometimes you may see ads like this. Scan this QR code and follow our Instagram page. In this video, we will be telling about how to create Instagram page QR code like this. For this, what you need to do is first open Instagram application. After opening Instagram application, down here you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. After that, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. Here you can see QR code option. Click on this QR code option. When you click on that QR code option, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see your QR code. But one thing is that this QR code is in color format. If you want to change it, you can change it. To change it to other colors, just touch on this QR code or outside. When you are touching there, color will change. In this black color option is available. In black color option, you can see in black and white format. Above you can see color option. If you want to change color option, you can change that also. Emoji option is there and one more selfie option is also there. If you want your selfie here, you can do that also. Here retake option is there. Click on this retake and you can take your selfie and your selfie will appear here. Now we want to share or save this QR code. To share or save this QR code, here you can see share profile option. Click on this share profile. When you click on that, you can see so many options. If you want, you can save this directly to your gallery. For this, file manager copy to option is there. Sometimes you may not see this option. So to make things simple, we'll be using WhatsApp. Here you can see WhatsApp option. Click on this WhatsApp option. In WhatsApp, you can send that QR code to any of your friends and you can save that QR code from there. In WhatsApp, there is a new feature where you can message yourself. So you can send this photo to your own number. Here you can see my number and in bracket it's written you. I'm clicking on this number and I'm sending this photo to my own number. Now you can see that QR code is sent to my own number. Like this you can share this QR code to any of your friends. To save this QR code to your gallery, what you should do is click on this photo. After clicking on that photo, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. And here you can see save option. Click on this save option. Now this QR code will be saved in your gallery. Now you can see this QR code in gallery. Now in this paper you can see that only QR code is there. That Instagram page name is not there. To remove that Instagram page name, you can crop this image. To crop this image, down here you can see edit button. Click on this edit button. In edit button, you can see crop option. Now you can crop this and remove that Instagram page name and emojis. Now cropping is completed. You can see that only that QR code is there. After cropping, down here you can see save copy option. Click on this save copy. Now you can see that QR code is saved. So this way you can create your own Instagram page QR code. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.